Hey guys, welcome back to How To's channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage Instagram notifications. So let's dive in. Open your Instagram, and the next step is click on your profile menu button, and the next step is click on the straight line button, and then scroll up here and click on settings, and then you click on notification. That is it. If you want to pause all notification from coming to your phone, click on pause all. And this is it. For how many hours do you want to pause the notification? You can just reset it here. And the next step you can do is you can choose a specific notification. Now your post, your notes, your post submission, and how to post. You can just off everything here. Mention request, collaborate invite. You can just click on anything you want to off your notification from entering your Instagram. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you guys.